Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Invest in Your Health, where we bring you the truth about natural remedies. Turmeric is known as the golden spice of life, packed with healing power. But did you know that mixing it with certain foods can harm your health? Today, we'll reveal the three dangerous combinations you must avoid for safe turmeric use. Before talking about the risks, let's understand why turmeric is so popular. Curcumin makes up about 2 to 5% of turmeric. It is a strong fighter against inflammation. It works by blocking molecules like NFKB. These molecules can cause long term diseases if not controlled. Research shows curcumin can ease joint pain in people with osteoarthritis. It might work as well as some pain pills you buy at the store. Turmeric also acts as an antioxidant. This means it fights damage from oxidative stress. It could lower the chance of heart problems by making blood vessels work better and stopping bad cholesterol from building up. New studies link turmeric to better brain health. Curcumin can enter the brain and reduce plaques that cause Alzheimer's disease. For digestion, turmeric helps make bile. This aids in breaking down fats. It can also calm an upset stomach. To get the most from turmeric, eat it with black pepper. Black pepper has piperine, which helps your body absorb curcumin up to 2000% better. But this better absorption means you must be careful. Stronger effects can lead to bad reactions with some foods. Turmeric has active parts that can mix badly with certain foods. This can turn a good spice into something dangerous. It might mess up how your body works. Do not eat turmeric with foods high in iron. Examples include red meat, spinach, lentils, and cereals with added iron. Why? Curcumin sticks to iron in your gut. This makes it hard for your body to take in the iron. It can block 50-80% of iron from plants. Over time, this leads to low iron levels. People at risk include vegetarians, women who can have babies, or those with gut issues. Low iron causes anemia, which makes you tired, weak, and more easily sick. Instead of helping with swelling, turmeric might cause you to lack important nutrients. This can cause ongoing health problems. Animal and human studies show that lots of curcumin lowers iron in the blood. To stay safe, wait at least 2 hours between turmeric and iron rich meals. Avoid mixing turmeric with foods that thin the blood. These include garlic, ginger, fatty fish like salmon, and green tea. Curcumin stops blood from clotting too much. It blocks things like thromboxane and keeps platelets from sticking together. This is like how aspirin works. When you add other blood thinners like allicin in garlic or gingerol in ginger, the effect gets too strong. Your blood becomes too thin. This raises the chance of bruises, long bleeding from cuts, or even bleeding inside the body. Older people, those on blood thinning pills, or with clotting issues are in more danger. Reports show some people bleed more when taking turmeric supplements. Instead of protecting your heart, this mix can cause strokes or severe blood loss in accidents or surgery. Experts say to skip these mixes, especially in large amounts. Talk to a doctor for advice that fits you. Stay away from high oxalate foods when using turmeric. These include spinach, beets, nuts, chocolate, and rhubarb. Turmeric has oxalates too. Oxalates are compounds that bind to calcium in your urine. They form hard crystals that turn into kidney stones. Mixing with more oxalates makes the problem worse. It can cause too much oxalate in urine, leading to kidney damage. People with past kidney stones or weak kidneys are at high risk. Studies link high curcumin use, like 2 grams a day, to sudden kidney harm. Instead of helping digestion or fighting swelling, this can cause pain from stones, urine problems, or lasting kidney issues. To avoid this, drink lots of water and don't eat these foods together. If you're at risk, keep them separate. Turmeric is a great help for health with its anti-swelling and antioxidant powers, but mixing it with iron-rich blood thinning or high oxalate foods can turn benefits into harm. These mixes block iron uptake, increase bleeding, and raise kidney stone risks. This shows why you need to use turmeric wisely. For best results, add turmeric to a balanced diet. Use it with black pepper and fats to help absorption, but avoid those bad foods in the same meal. In the end, turmeric heals when used with care, but it can hurt if not handled right. Turmeric can be your body's best friend, but only when used wisely. Avoid these three harmful combinations and you'll unlock its full healing potential. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay healthy, stay informed, and keep investing in your health.